Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let's say you have seen the ads, you have seen the memes FaceApp used to let you edit videos. So you could age yourself in real time or swap genders in a clip, but now the video button is just gone. You have googled it, you have updated the app, but it's not there at all. So here's the hard truth. You are not going to find it right now. So according to developer statement found in the iOS App Store review section, video edition is being moved to a separate app and is being gradually removed from FaceApp. So the classic FaceApp is now officially a photo editor. If you are looking for video features, you need to stop looking for effects and start looking for an alternative method. But don't worry, there is also a way to get that functionality back using modern AI tools. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, you open the FaceApp, just stop looking for the option, because as you see, allow access to your photos. There is nothing about videos, there is nothing about clips. We will filter and display switchable photos that can be edited with FaceApp. These photos are not sent to our cloud whatsoever, so it's all about photos here. So I would say that you can use a specialized video AI tool if you want to, since FaceApp won't do video anymore. You need a dedicated tool. Services like, I would say, Pixel Fox AI are specifically designed to handle video face swaps and agent filters. So just go to the website, on your browser or the app, upload the base video, upload your face photo, then click generate. The AI handles the detection, tracking, and blending automatically. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.